Hello, welcome back. So in this lesson, we are going to be talking about sketch modification. And this lecture in particular will actually be covering adding sketch fillets and chamfer. So to start, let's start a new sketch on the front plane and select sketch. Now let's draw a rectangle on the origin point. So I'm using the center rectangle on the origin point, and click on the origin point and drag it out. So we have something like that. So following with the last lecture we did, let's add dimensions to it to fully define our sketch. So we add a dimension here, let's make that 6, and add another dimension, let's make it 6. So we have our sketch and it's fully defined. So you have your sketch fillet and chamfer here. So when you pull the drop down, you have sketch fillet and sketch chamfer. Let's do the fillet first. And in this fillet, let's make it 0.5. So that is pretty much, you input your fillet size, which is 0.5. And now to add the fillet, you can, you know what, let's make it 1. So it's big enough so we can see it. So what you would do is you can, to add a fillet between these two lines, you can click on this line and you click on this line and you press OK, and your fillet has been added for the 1. And another way you can add a fillet between two lines is you can select the point that is connecting both lines and it's gonna add the fillet, and click OK. And that is how you add a fillet to a sketch. So let's close that and let's now go to the chamfer option. So the chamfer option has two options. You have either the distance chamfer or the angled distance. So let's try the distance first. For this one, we want to make the distance, let's try 0.8 and 0.8. So we have 0.8 and 0.8. We'll select our first line and we'll select our second line. As you can see, the chamfer has been added 0.8, 0.8. So for the second one, let's click OK, and let's go back into the chamfer. And for this second one, let's try the angled distance. So the angled distance lets you put in the distance and the angle you want for the chamfer. So we're just gonna do the 0.8 and 45 degree. So we'll select this line and that line, and if I zoom in, you can see the 45 degree and the 0.8. So that is the way you add this fillet, the sketch fillet and the chamfer to a sketch. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.